Okay, they're throwing the big stuff at us now. AB is a line from 0, 4 to 6, 8. Just from how thick this question looks, I can already tell I want a diagram. So they say AB is a line that goes from 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so AB is that line. And the right bisector of AB is a line that cuts another line in half at a 90-degree angle. So if you had this line, that's a right angle, but it's not a bisector. If you have a line like this that passes exactly through the center, that line is a right bisector. This is a 90-degree angle. In other words, the lines are perpendicular, and it cuts right through the middle of AB. I better get those coordinates labeled. We're going to need them in a second. The coordinates of A are 0, 4, and the coordinates for B are 6, 8. Okay, so we have to find the equation of this line, which is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means the slopes are negative reciprocals, and since we're talking about slopes, we better find one. The slope for AB, pink line, is y2 minus y1, 8 minus 4, over x2 minus x1, which is 6 minus 0. That's 4/6, which reduces to 2/3. Okay, so the pink line AB has a slope of 2/3. We are supposed to build a line which is perpendicular to it. So, switch to our blue color. The perpendicular slope is going to be what? What do we do to this again? You remember? Flip and flip. Minus 3 over 2. Negative reciprocal. So the line we're going to build, the blue line, must have a slope of minus 3 over 2, and that tells us already that its equation is going to be y equals minus 3 over 2x plus b we haven't figured out yet. That takes care of the right part, the perpendicular part. The other thing we need is for it to be a bisector. You bisect a line if you pass through its midpoint, meaning the exact center of it. And if you remember how midpoints are calculated, the midpoint for a line is you take the average of its x coordinates at its two ends and the average of its y coordinates. That's the formula for midpoint in case you haven't thought about it in a while. So for this line, the x coordinate is going to be 0 plus 6 divided by 2. And the y coordinate will be 4 plus 8 divided by 2. Meaning the coordinates of the midpoint are 3, 6. This point, right in the middle, is 3, 6. So our line over here must pass through 3, 6. What does that mean about its y-intercept? Can we find it? Should be able to. This is an x-coordinate, this is a y-coordinate. We can plug those in, and we get y equals minus 3 over 2x plus b. 6 equals minus 9 over 2 plus b. 6 as a fraction is 12 over 2. I did that in one step because I need a common denominator and I'm a little tight on space, so I hope you followed that bit. If not, get a hold of me and I can run through it again. 12 over 2 plus another 9 over 2 makes b 21 over 2. And so our finished line, the perpendicular bisector, is going to be y equals minus 3 over 2x, we knew that part, plus 21 over 2.